ABS-CBN News and Current Affairs. Naglilingkod sa inyo saan man sa mundo. Mula sa ABS-CBN News Center, Manila, ito ang TV Patrol World!
At Colonel Ariel Querubin ng Marines, parehong idinadawit sa umano'y nabigong kudeta.
They were asking me why I, as chairman of the Defense Committee of the Senate, was not conducting an investigation of the 4 generals mentioned in the Garcia tapes.
Kasama raw si Lim at Querubin sa mga miyembro ng Young Officers Union na nakipagkita kay Biazon a 2 ng Hulyo 2005, 5 araw matapos aminin ng Pangulo ang umano'y pakikipag-usap niya sa isang COMELEC official. Nagbanta raw ang YOU na magmamass leave sila kapag di inimbestigahan ang umano'y paggamit sa militar para mandaya noong eleksyon. Dahil dito hiniling ni Biazon sa nooy AFP Chief of Staff Efren Abu na mag-imbestiga. 2 buwan pa, nag-imbestiga na rin ang Senado sa Garcia issue. Nanindigan naman si Biazon na walang nilabag na batas o patakaran ng militar si Lim at Querubin nang hilingin nila ang investigasyon.
They were not trying to instigate anything. It was just simply a statement of dismay on the fact that nothing was being done in relation to the mention of 4 generals.
Hindi raw dapat gamitin ang sentimiento ni Lim at Querubin sa Garcia issue para lalong idiin ng administrasyon. At Colonel Ariel Querubin ng Marines, parehong idinadawit sa umano'y nabigong kudeta.
They were asking me why I, as chairman of the Defense Committee of the Senate, was not conducting an investigation of the 4 generals mentioned